Workflow automation is becoming a must-have for modern businesses. Whether you are connecting apps, automating repetitive tasks, managing data pipeline, or building AI-powered workflows, the right automation platform can save countless hours. Two platforms that are getting a lot of attention are n8n and Kestra. Both are powerful open source solutions, but they are designed for different types of users and different automation goals. In this video, we will compare n8n and Kestra to help you decide which one deserves a place in your workflow stack. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover tools that can improve productivity and efficiency. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on the tools mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the n8n. This platform has become extremely popular among developers, marketers, agencies, and businesses that want flexible workflow automation. The biggest reason for its growth is its visual workflow builder. You can connect apps, APIs, databases, and services using a drag and drop interface while still having the option to add custom code when needed. This combination of simplicity and flexibility has made n8n one of the fastest growing open source automation platforms. n8n is especially strong when it comes to app automation. You can automate lead generation, CRM updates, notifications, content workflow, email campaigns, and AI powered processes. It works very much like tools such as Zapier or Make, but it gives users more control through self hosting and custom workflow logic. Now let's talk about the Kestra. While n8n focuses heavily on connecting apps and automating business tasks, Kestra takes a different approach. Kestra is designed as a workflow orchestration platform that can handle data pipelines, infrastructure automation, business processes, and even AI workloads. Instead of focusing mainly on app-to-app automation, Kestra is built for larger and more complex operational workflows. One of the Kestra's key strengths is scalability. The platform uses YAML-based workflow system and is designed to support production environments where workflows may involve multiple teams, large amounts of data, and complex orchestration requirements. This makes it attractive for engineering teams, developer operational teams, and data-focused organizations. When it comes to ease of use, n8n has the advantage. Its visual builder allows beginners to create workflows relatively quickly. Even users without deep technical knowledge, they can automate many tasks after a short learning period. Kestra is more technical and often requires a stronger understanding of workflow orchestration concepts. For integrations, both platforms offer strong capabilities. n8n is known for connecting SaaS applications, APIs, databases, and AI services. It shines when business need practical automations that connect everyday tools. Kestra support integrations as well, but its focus often broader orchestration across infrastructure, data system, and engineering environment. AI automation is another interesting area. n8n has become popular for AI workflows because it allows users to connect language models, APIs, and external tools inside visual workflows. Kestra also support AI related workflows, but it is often used for orchestrating larger machine learning and data processing pipelines. So which platform should you choose? If you are a marketer, agency owner, startup founder, content creator, or a small business looking for app automation and AI workflows, n8n will likely be the better choice. Its visual builder, flexibility, and growing ecosystem makes it accessible and powerful at the same time. But if you are managing complex data pipelines, infrastructure automation, large scale workflows, or enterprise orchestration, Kestra may be the stronger option. It was built with scalability and production grade orchestration in mind. And at the end of the day, this is not really a battle where one tool completely defeats the other one. They solve different problems. n8n is excellent for workflow automation and app integration, while Kestra is built for orchestration at scale. And that brings us to the end of this comparison. Hopefully this video helped you understand the key differences between n8n and Kestra. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. Check the link from description for any available offers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.